Good morning, dear students. Our chapter is real numbers. Yesterday also we have seen some examples on real numbers. Today we take one example on real number. Find the rational number between. Find the rational number between 1/4 and 1/5. 1/4 and 1/5. Here, what do you mean by rational number? Rational number means decimal should be like this: 1.7 0 0 0 0 0 like this, means is equal to 1.7, or 3.693 693 693 like this, means it is equal to 3.693 bar, or 8.1587 like this, means it is 8.1587 like this. It is a rational number. Rational number is 7. What is 7? 7/1. Yes, 7 belongs to Z. 1 belongs to Z. Z is set of integers. What is 1? 1 is non-zero. Rational number means such type of numbers which are terminating or non-terminating but repeating. What is the what digits are repeating? One digit is repeating, or two digits are repeating, or group of 3, 4, 5 digits are repeating frequently. This type of numbers are rational numbers. We have to find the rational number between 1/4 and 1/5. Here, one method is there. We have to equate the denominator. 1/4. We can write that 1/4 means 4 into 20. 4 into 20. And here what we have done? Multiplied by 20. Here we will get 80. Here also we have to do the same thing. We have to do the same thing. Means multiply by 20. Means we are doing nothing. 20/20 means 1. We are multiplying by 1 means nothing. That is 1 into 20. That is 20/80. It is 20 ones are 20. 20 fours are 80. Means 1/4. The number remains same. Second, we take 1/5. That is 5 we will get. We have to multiply by 16. Then we will get 80. In numerator also we have to multiply 1 by 16. Then we will get 16. 16 ones are 16 and 16 fives are 80. Therefore 1/5. 16/80 means 1/5. The number between rational number between 1/4 and 1/5 means 20/80 and 16/80 are 17/80, then 18/80, then 19/80. These are the rational numbers. These are the three rational numbers. Or we can do like this: 1/4 means 4 into 5, then 1 into 5, that is 5/20. 1/5, that is 5 into 4, 1 into 4, that is 4/20. Then 4/20 and 5/20, it is difficult to get the number. Or we can do 4 into 7, 4 into 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 into 10, 1 into 10, that is 10 upon 40. Here also 5 into 8 and 1 into 8, then 8 upon 40. The number between 10 upon 40, the number between 10 upon 40 and 8 upon 40, that is rational number is 9 upon 40. We can do like this also. Other method is also there. If the number is a and b, the rational number between these two numbers are a plus b upon 2. A plus b upon 2 means the number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. Rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. Let a is equal to 1 upon 4, b is equal to 1 upon 5. The number is equal to rational number. Rational number is equal to a plus b upon 2, that is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 upon 2. Upon 2 means we take this one upon 2 means 1 upon 2, then 4 into 5 it is 20, 5 into 1, 4 into 1 it is 9. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5 means like this. A upon b plus c upon b is equal to a into b plus b into c upon a into b into b. Therefore, 1 upon 4 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5, then it is b into d, 4 into 5, then 1 into 5, that is 5, 1 into 4, it is 4, then it is 9 upon 3. Then it is equal to 1 into 9, 9, 2 into 20, that is 2. Then second number also we can find between these two numbers, 1 upon 5 and 9 upon 40. 1 upon 5 and 9 upon 40. Suppose this is b, this is c, then third number will be b plus c upon 2. Such type of numbers we can find between any two rational numbers. Any two numbers. Such type of methods you have to adopt to find the rational number between any two given numbers. Then next example is express 0.40 in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. If Q is equal to 0, then we cannot define P upon Q. If denominator is 0, then we cannot define the rational number. Therefore, we write P upon Q where Q is not equal to 0. Here we take this number is X. 0.4040 like this. We take it is equation number 1. Here, students, you see how many digits are repeating. Here 2 digits are repeating. 404040 like this. 2 digits are repeating means we have to multiply it by 100. 1 digit is repeating means we have to multiply it by 10. 2 digits are repeating means we have to multiply it by 100. 3 digits are repeating means we have to multiply it by 1000. Here 2 digits are repeating. Therefore, you write multiply both sides by 100. Then x into 100, that is 100x is equal to 0.404040 into 100. Therefore 100x is equal to 40.4040 like this. It is equation number 2. Then what we do? We have to find? We have to find the value of x. Therefore, you subtract equation 1 from equation number 2. You subtract equation 1. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. What is equation 1x? We have to subtract from 100x. Means how? We have to write 100x minus x is equal to, this is 40.4040 minus 0.4040 like this. This we have to subtract is 40.4040 then 0. This one subtraction means here 0 it is 40.9x is equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to 40 upon 99. That is, it is 3 upon 2. Students, this example is very important to the examination point of view. Why? All such type of examples are always asked in examinations. Frequently asked in examinations. What is the method to solve such type of examples? What we have to do first? The number itself, you take it as x. X is equal to the given number. Then you see how many digits are repeating. 2 digits are repeating. Therefore, we have to multiply it by 100. Therefore, you have to multiply by 100. Then 100 into x, that is 100x. 100 into this one, that is 40.4040 like this. Therefore, then we have to find value of x. Means subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Means we have to subtract this x from 100x. Means we have to write 100x first, then x. We have to subtract this one from this. Means 40 point like this minus this one. Means subtraction is like this. It is 40. Here 99x is equal to 40. Means 99 are multiplied to 100. Therefore 99 will go to right hand side in the denominator. 99 will go to right hand side in the denominator. Means x is equal to 40 upon 99. That is p upon q. What is q? Q is strictly not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. Students, you take one more example. Rationalize the denominator of root 2 upon 2 plus root 2 by taking root 2 is equal to 1.414 up to 3 places of decimal means here we have to rationalize this term 2 plus root 2 means root 2 upon 2 plus root 2 into we have to multiply it. We have to rationalize the denominator. Why? Because denominator is irrational number. Root 2 is irrational number. 2 is rational. Rational plus irrational means irrational number. 2 plus root 2 is irrational number. Therefore, we have to multiply by conjugate of irrational. Conjugate of this number means same number but having different sign. Means 2 minus root 2. Here also write 2 minus root 2. Then root 2 into 2. Root 2 into 2. That is 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 2. That is 2. Root 2 into root 2. That is root 4. Square root of 4 is 2 square. That is 2 raised to power 2 upon 2. Means 2 raised to power 1. That is 2. Root 2 into root 2. That is 2. 2 into root 2. That is 2 root 2 upon a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. It is a square minus b square. 2 plus root 2. 2 minus root 2. It is, what is a? 2. A square minus b square. Here 2 square. 2 square is 2 into 2. That is 4. Root 2 square. 2 into root 2. That is 2. Means 4 minus 2. It is 2. Therefore, we write 2 square root 2 square, then 2 root 2 minus 2 upon 4 minus 2. Therefore, here 2 will be there. Then in numerator also you observe the terms. In numerator, can we take 2 common from both the terms? Yes, we can take 2 common. Therefore, you do 2 common and root 2 minus 1. Then you check 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, 2 into 1, that is 2. Therefore, cancel this one. And root 2, what is root 2? Root 2 is equal to 1.414 minus 1. 1.414 minus 1 means 1.0. That is 0.414